everybody. Lauren here from Anita Goodesign, and I'm here to talk to you today about our All Access membership. Now, if you've been shopping with Anita, you've definitely heard by now of the words All Access, or you have a friend that's a member, and you may be thinking to yourself, I'm interested, but I'm not exactly sure what it is. So our All Access is a 12-month membership where each month you receive a set of new designs from us. This is going to be our embroidery designs, our quilting designs, our projects, as well as our large releases. You are receiving these collections of designs every single month at over 80% discount. You just can't beat the pricing. Now, of course, Anita Goodesign is known for our quality of embroidery and quilting, and that's most important to us. So you are receiving new design collections every single month. They're not repeated from the past, they're brand new ones to you. We have our digital membership. That membership is 12 months, and for those 12 months, it is $4.99 for the entire year. And on the first of the month, your All Access, your PDF of the book, and those designs will be dropped into your Anita Goodesign account in the Customer Center. So on the first, you just get on your computer and you have access to all those new designs and that wonderful PDF book.